We're at Arrogate cutting on the Bundaberg Sugar Farm. We'll be cutting about 1,600 tonne per day for the next 4.5 days. The weather conditions for this 2012 season have been reasonably good, and we have a fairly good crop for the season. Tonnage wise, the crop could probably average for the season around the 95 tonne per hectare. The sugar content will be unknown until we get into the season, but by the look of the cane it's fairly ripe and it should be reasonable. And the price of sugar at the moment is fairly good, with the forecast for it to be good for a few more years.